Hi, my name is Munifa Ahmed, and today I'm doing a charity walk. On me and my brother's birthday, we are doing a donating thing for Pakistan. People in Pakistan are very poor, unlike other countries. They can't afford wheelchairs as well. That's why this year, me and my family are trying to donate money so we can build more wheelchairs. Today, I'm doing the hike at Peak District with my dad. I'm doing this so we can raise more money than ever. Our aim is to reach £2,000. When we reach £2,000 or 1,000, that's our aim, we will donate the money we have to Pakistan so they can build more wheelchairs because people in Pakistan can't afford them. So, today I'm at the Peak District and we have made a website. A Just Giving page, so you can donate your money. If you do, it'll be really helpful because we're going to donate £2,000 and it'll be really helpful. So please donate some money.
Thank you so much for your interview. Can you also mention how many wheelchairs we are aiming to buy? I think we are buying 12 wheelchairs for £2,000. So any donations will be much appreciated from anybody, right? Yeah?
Yeah, so any type of donations, whether that's £100, £10, that'll be really helpful because that means we're going to get one step closer for getting 12 wheelchairs at Just Giving. Thank you. Hi, it's my